Hi everyone, today I'll be sharing about Thomson Nature Park. So I went to the place earlier this week and on a morning, and I saw a lot of insects at the toilet. There were like the golden ants, and also I saw like snakes. Did I see any wild boar? No. So I only saw like the monitor lizard, chameleon, and various insects. I went with a friend, so she was there to protect me from the insects. So yeah, all is good. Okay, let's move on to the route and where you should be alighting when you go for the hike, Thomson Nature Park. Okay, so this is the map of Thomson Nature Park. So where you're supposed to go, you're supposed to ask the drive. So if you drive, you're supposed to park at this car park at Upper Thomson Road. So it's just called the Thomson Nature Park car park. Yeah. So I took a cab here. If you're taking a bus, guess you can drop outside here or outside here. Better drop on this side because they have a lot of so you can't cross all the way until somewhere here, then you can cross the road. So if you are taking bus, right, and it's going the other direction, it will be very hard for you to cross over. So best take a cab lah. Yup. So if you cannot afford a cab, make sure you are on this side of the road. If not, you have to walk very far before you get to park. Okay, so I started from here. No, I started from here. So I was at the toilet area. The driver dropped me off at the toilet area. Then I met my friend. Then we went on this route. So I think we started right first. No, we started left first. So we walk. It's a red route. Red means what? Okay, so we did the red route. I think halfway we maybe detoured. I'm not very sure because this is quite a complicated route. So I think we ended up here at one point. So we walk, then we ended up walking out. So this part is the road. So it's like a dead end now, so we have to turn back. Then we turn back and then we actually walk here also. So another dead end. So we turn back in. Walk back here, then I think we continue walking here. Here. So we saw these few abandoned, ruins. Yeah, so some of the ruins are quite hidden by the trees. You can't really see them unless you are totally looking for them. So we saw a few ruins, which we also took pictures there. And then I think we walked back the same way. Somehow we didn't go this way. I guess we were somehow lost. We weren't looking at the map too often, so we're now walking back here. I think we walked this way here, but we walked back this way. Yeah, I think something like that. Okay, here goes some pictures and videos. so that's the end of the video. So if you ever go to Thomson Nature Park, beware that there might be snakes, so watch where you step. The snakes was just like 2 meters away from us only. Yeah, so the snake, apparently other people say that it's a cobra. I have no idea what snake it is because I'm not a snake expert. Yup, and if you're scared of insects, remember to put some insect repellent and cover up, I guess. Yeah, so if you're afraid of snakes, right, also wear long pants, I guess. But I didn't wear long pants because it's so hot. Even though it was like morning, right, but it's still quite hot. Yep, so that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoy your hike at Thomson Nature Park. Yep. And then enjoying the ruins. Yeah, that's all for now. Bye bye.